We have a $300 Nissan 300zx and we're going to blow it up. We need to strip this car down to its bare bones so we can begin the transformation. Let's get to it. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Throttle YouTube channel. My name is Quinn and I'm here with Ricky, and as you can see behind us on the lift, hey! We have our $300 ZX that we recently acquired. Regardless of what we're gonna do with it, there's a lot of things on this car that we're just not gonna be reusing. So today we're gonna start stripping this thing down, getting the naturally aspirated engine out, getting the transmission out, getting the crusty, terrible welded exhaust off, and seeing what else is salvageable, what else needs to be thrown away and replaced. So we have a lot of work to do to get this thing stripped out. You ready?
Yeah, man, nothing is salvageable. Everything's going to the trash. So it doesn't matter which way we go with this car. What we're doing today has to be done. We're gonna get cracking. We're gonna start removing parts.
Yep. Let's get into it.
So we're gonna get this thing running or what, Quinn?
No, we're gonna rip it all out.
No?
We're gonna rip it all out.
So we can get it running, right?
No. No.
That's how you fix these engines. You take them out and you fix them.
You fix these engines, you take them out, and then you put something else in here. If it was a turbo, maybe it would be fun to rebuild a VG30 DETT. One we had was so smoked. This thing doesn't have an engine harness at all, so nothing's gonna plug in, Ricky. We're just gonna take it all out.
All right.
We're gonna rip it all out, starting with the radiator that's filled with hose water. It's water. It's just water. It's literally hose water. There's so much hardware on this engine that is just gone. The water pump, missing half the bolts. This thing's missing bolts. All of our cold packs don't have bolts in it. All of this doesn't have bolts in it. This thing doesn't have bolts in it. This thing's missing bolts somewhere. Exhaust bolts is just snapped off. Like, it's not in good shape.
I feel like this car was on life support.
This is genuinely disgusting.
What are those, bread ties?
Those are catch can mounting brackets, dude. All coming off. Oh, that's disgusting. Hey, not on the headlights, bro.
Oh.
I didn't make a mess. Ricky made a mess.
That was Ricky this time.
Mine was all water.
Thingy was dingling.
This AC line didn't even have a bolt on it. It was literally just in there, just shoved in there. So we got essentially everything up top off. The engine from the top is about ready to come out. So we gotta take the exhaust off, which is disgusting and squeaky. And then the transmission, I'm thinking we take it out in the car. And so we'll take transmission off the back, drive shaft, all that stuff out. And then we can grab the engine with a crane and just go boop, straight up, be done.
As car guys, we know it can be really hard to think of ideas for your significant others or wives. But Mother's Day is coming up, and now's the time to get the orders in before time runs out. Now, we've partnered with a brand called Portrayed, and they are a Swedish brand that makes some really awesome skincare products, and they have a worldwide reach. They have some great gift ideas that we want to share with you.
This right here is the Portrayed UFO2 at-home supercharged facial device. It holds so many features in just one small tool. This device has a full spectrum LED light therapy that visibly revitalizes your facial skin. Now, the UFO2 features technology that you can normally only get at a spa, like cryotherapy or thermotherapy. We think this is a great gift idea for your significant other, and you don't have to stop there. This device also pairs very well with some masks offered by Portrayed. So if you are interested in taking your skincare to the next level or surprising your significant other, then check out the link in the description below. I'd like to thank Portrayed for partnering with us for this episode. Now let's get back to work.
How much we can take? You think we can get for that if we sell it?
Junk.
No, that thing's brand new.
That's cap. I accuse you of capping.
$3 in steel, $3 in metal.
Oh, I haven't touched this at all. No tools, nothing. Look.
Yeah, we saw that in the last video.
It's freaking bad.
What did he say?
This drive shaft only has half the bolts in it, by the way. There's only 2 bolts in that right now.
And I bet you they're both rusty.
Oh yeah.
Bro!
You're joking.
That's the battery harness. It's right here, bro. Look, even the terminal came out with it.
Oh, sorry, dog.
Man down. Man down.
Sorry.
Look at this. Oh. Oh my God.
All right, go for it, huh?
Yeah. Can you take the clutch out now? Oh, she's whipping it. Ah! Hey.
Easy on her, Quinn. Shut up. Oh, she's going, dude.
No, she's going for sure.
All right, we're in good shape, dude. We're in
good?
great shape.
Set, engine base completely done. I like your shirt, by the way.
I like your shirt, by the way.
Hey, twinsies. I don't have the hat.
No, you don't have this hat yet.
That would
This hat's not out yet.
That's not out.
But-
Neither is the shirt.
We do.
Shirt's out.
Shirts
Hey,
are
I
live.
like your shirt.
Hey, shirts are currently live.
No
New
way.
hats, nice wheel hats, not live yet, but the shirts are live.
When did it
So,
come out? Today?
Yeah.
Huh.
So if you guys want to pick up one of these fresh shirts, head over to throtl.com. Now that we're done with the engine, I think it's time to move on to the interior. And lucky for us, none of the seats are bolted in. So it should be pretty
No way.
straightforward.
Seriously?
Yeah, no, they're not bolted in at all. Look at this, look at this.
Could be an easy day.
None of the seats, your seat's the same way.
Oh, dude, it's gonna be an easy day. Well, let's get popping.
I don't have a door handle. I don't have a door handle. Let's get the center console out, let's get the back seats out, let's get the carpet out, all the junk. There are no door cards in here, so we don't have to worry about that.
You know what I didn't notice?
What's up?
The seatbelt is coming from the seat.
Yeah, it is coming from the door. So
I mean
those are
from
gonna
the
be-
door, yeah.
Yeah, those are gonna be pretty trick.
I don't have any here, which means.
Oh,
we
you don't
just-
have that?
Yeah.
Well, we're probably
We're
just
probably gonna go harnesses.
Yeah, we're probably gonna put
Yeah.
racing seats in anyway, so
Yeah.
who cares? Oh, here's our other intake pipe that we didn't have.
Dude, fuel pump wiring held together by electrical tape.
What is this?
This
Gotta make room, bud.
We got the interior stripped out and I want to roll this thing outside and clean it because that is absolutely disgusting. But what I want to do before we do that is actually get all the junk like around the front wheels that's hanging. That's junk. The fender well is, oh, it's even, that's junk. The fender well on this side is junk. Like we have so much crap. Here's another fuse box. There's so much stuff just hanging around. If we take all this off, it's gonna be like just a nice little roller. Push it around, we don't have to worry about ripping everything off. So I wanna get that fuse box out from the front and we're gonna take the headlights off to do that because that'll give us the room to kind of come out. So we're gonna blow the headlights off, take the front wheels off, get everything out of the fender wells, and then it's outside going to get washed. we've got just about everything out of the engine bay that I wanted to get out. Unfortunately, this fuse box is part of a harness that kind of bear hugs the whole engine bay. So this splits off and then kind of runs up underneath both fender wells into the chassis. So I don't think we're gonna be able to get that out. For now, this is perfect. All of this stuff is about to get washed out. So we're gonna roll this thing outside and pressure wash the crap out of this engine bay.
All right, we have the 300zx down on the floor now, and there's two things left to do. We gotta remove the tail lights, and we have to remove the rear bumper, so let's just get to it.
Masa, you ever seen anything like this?
Oh, too junky.
Yeah.
I'm in a throttle vlog.
Yeah.
Yay!
If you guys don't know, this is Masa. He works with Top Rank over in Japan.
Hi.
He's usually our tour guide when we're in Japan.
Yeah. Now I've been tour guide. Well, I'm not. I've been a tour here. I'm a tourist.
Yeah, now you're a tourist.
I'm a tourist right
Tour
now.
guide to tourists.
Yeah.
How's everything been in America? What have you been up to? What have you been doing?
Been to Texas 2K, and it was a very, let's just say, totally different from Japan.
Oh yeah.
Everything was just different, from people to cars and the builds and everything. So yeah, it's a quite interesting experience so far. It's like kind of you guys in Japan, you know,
Yeah,
everything is totally
definitely,
different.
Definitely.
Oh, there's the clip. It's still there. Oh, it slides up.
What is all that?
I don't know what that is.
What is all that?
Is that the gasket? That was the gasket. Look.
That's crazy.
Oh yeah, look, that was a gasket. The waterproof gasket, which I bet you is not waterproof anymore. Oh, they silicone it.
They silicone the
I
taillights?
think so. Look. That's like the headlight treatment thing you do.
They did.
Bet sure it doesn't leak. What I'm surprised is that in order for you to take this off, you had to take the middle one out. And the middle one, he didn't seal this. There's two really big freaking holes. He didn't seal this one, but then he sealed the other two, which makes no sense. Why not do these two? Because you had to do these two first and then put this thing on. Why didn't you do this one as well? I mean, I'm glad you didn't, whoever it was. I'm glad you did. It's in good shape. Ooh. A little tiny nick inside. But other than that, I can buff this and I can make this thing look brand new. Like brand new, brand new.
Get it out!
It went in my mouth.
Oh, yeah.
Ew.
Quit. Can't say that. Rear bumper's out, tailless is out. Time to get this thing off the rack and power wash it because it really needs some. Yeah, it's a lot of love. We're gonna give her some love. Time to make this thing just a bit better because it's a lot of work. Oh, is that thing waterproof? You should grab that camera. Did you clean that before you put it out there? No. Sick. That was your fault.
Car's blown apart in 30 million pieces. We got literally everything out minus the suspension. We got the engine out, we got all that out, we got that bash bar out, seats are out, interior's out, carpet's out, side panels are out, Rear bumper's up. Front bumper, did it even have a front bumper?
No.
Didn't have a front bumper.
Just making stuff up
That's already
now.
gone. Transmission's out. This thing is blown apart. We still haven't decided what we're gonna do with this car. We had a meeting with all the boys on the team, and we still haven't made.
We concluded with we have no idea still.
We don't know. So
have
let
no
me
clue
know
what to
down
do.
in the comments what we should do to this thing. Should we clean it up and make it nice and make it stock?
I already cleaned it up.
Or no, this one color, new
Oh,
glass,
you mean like-
clean it up.
oh, okay.
Do we engine swap
Yeah.
it? Do we engine swap it with this, or do we engine swap it with that?
Or do we just throw it away?
Do we just
Or
throw it away? What do we do?
do we go EV with it? Do
put
we
a
go
body kit
turbo
on it?
diesel with it?
Do we stance it? Do we airbag it?
I honestly want to read you guys' comment because I really want to know what you guys want to do.
We've been reading every comments from all the 300 videos so far. Let me know down below what you think we should do with this car. Just a reminder, new merch is live right now. Head over to the site.
Link up.
Every dollar you spend is going to get you one entry to win our Audi S4 plus $20,000 in cash. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Wait, Clint, so what do you want to do? You've had some ideas, all right? And I don't know if we've told the audience your specific ideas. Quinn's got ideas.
specific
Ricky's got
ideas. I got
ideas.
ideas.
Everyone could guess Ricky's. Ricky wants a rotary.
Hey, stop. Not just the rotary. I'm talking about a 20B
That would be good.
NA.
I would be
Like with the
that.
side, ITV sticking to the side and loud freaking mufflers and exhaust and flames.
12,000 RPM.
No, calm down. 10. 10's fine.
Dude, I want the tack to pass 10 like it's
Look,
not
if we
even
go
there.
non-turbo 20B, you can probably get like 450 out of it. If you go turbo 20B, like super reliable power is like 650.
I was thinking like a Screamer LS. Like high revving LS. Like high revving LS.
Like high?
Like 9,000 RPM LS.
Never seen that.
Whoa.
I'm sure it exists. Sure it exists,
Yeah,
but
I'm
I've
gonna build
never seen
one,
it.
and it's gonna do that.
And you can do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was mine.
I mean,
but then you say
I bet-
LS swap, and everyone's like, "Ooh."
All right, what about
we'll
RB?
see.
RB swap.
RB would be good. I think RB is kind of like the go-to swap.
Okay. What about the R35 engine?
VR38.
I mean, that would be kind of like the same thing as this, a V6, a big V6.
Do
engine.
not even compare that engine.
No, but I
to
mean,
whatever that is.
No, I'm talking about size-wise.
Oh,
we'll
yeah.
be working on
Would
a,
be.
engine bay that has no space for it.
The problem is what transmission you put with that.
Yeah.
So that would be cool. It would be cool. I was saying K-swap. We could K-swap it. That'd be kind of interesting.
K-swap it. That would be
Yeah.
interesting. 2J? No, we just did a
We
2J.
just did a 2J.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of ideas. Two-stroke V8.
How about a Hellcat swap? We just piss off everyone at the same time.
We already did that.
Oh,
What
Yeah.
if we took the cab motor out of the Viper
No,
and then put the VG
no.
in the Viper?
You're not touching the Viper. That's it. We're done.